let's talk about what are Google Analytic goals. Basically, what are goals in Google Analytics are basically things you want to call out to see if those actions are being performed on your website. So there's a number of different things you can track. You could look at when a product gets sold. You can look at when somebody signs up for a newsletter. So you can do it. But first you got to decide what goals you want to track as actions that occur on your website. And basically, a goal can also be thought of as a conversion. So what is a conversion? Basically, it's when an action occurs that goes from one state to another. So again, not signed up to your newsletter, signed up to your newsletter. The reason this is important is because then a concept of a conversion rate comes. How many people start at the beginning and complete it to the end? And then the ones that move from those different states are called becomes the conversion rate. One interesting thing that Google Analytics provides is this way to set up what is basically a goal funnel. And the cool thing is it has a nice data visualization for this. So the goal funnel are the different steps that they actually take on your website. So it could be starting on a specific page, going to another page, going to another page, and finally ending at the final page where you count that as a goal that has now been turned into a conversion. Google Analytics, to help you set up your goals, provides a number of templates to get started so that these are actions that you want. And then within each one of these templates, there are specific types of actions that can be performed. So some conclusions about Google Analytics goals. First, again, you got to decide what goals you want to track on your site. And again, the goals that can be defined in Google Analytics are things that are conversions, things that change from one state to another. So again, for example, if somebody signs up for a newsletter or they purchase a product or any other action that you want to track in Google Analytics. Sometimes you need to make changes to your website to make this occur, but many times you already have the necessary steps, and Google Analytics just allows you a way to create a specific goal that shows that, and then those goals can be related to other Google Analytics statistics that exist.